Well, we are celebrating Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month today. And to honor the month, we are enjoying some of the food by actually learning how to roll some sushi by a master chef here in studio. Joining us now live are Yama Sushi Marketplace store owner Scott Kono and Yama Sushi Marketplace head chef Ko Sunagawa. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Tony.
This is so exciting.
Thanks for having us.
And look at this spread. Oh my gosh. First, can you just tell us about the marketplace? What is it and how many locations you have?
Yes, well, the marketplace is very unique because we serve the freshest fish. It was founded by Kenzo Yamada 42 years ago.
Whoa.
So he was a specialist in getting the best cuts of fish, and since today we are one of the biggest buyers of fish, we have the freshest sashimi in all three of our locations. San Gabriel, West LA, and Koreatown, and soon to be Sherman Oaks this year.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's a marketplace, so people get grab-and-go sushi and sashimi cut to order. So
oh man, I'm sure.
But we're here for the masterclass, which Coach Han is our master chef, and he's going to show you how to make some great sushi. You know, there's 15 different types of sushi, like our inari, our bara chirashi, it looks like a jewelry box. But today you're going to be making our nigiri sushi and a roll.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's start.
The first show is going to show you a little bit how the sushi chefs do it.
Okay.
And yep. So he's actually rolling and putting together sushi. That's what you're going to be doing.
Oh, okay. So, and this is nigiri.
Yes, nigiri.
Yes.
Nigiri.
Okay. Exactly.
Okay, I show you slow.
Commonly known.
Like
so
this,
first,
make
it's in your left hand.
Okay.
You know,
okay.
well, hold on. He'll walk you through it. He's going to give you a demo first.
Like this.
And then flip it over, and then there you go.
Okay. Okay. So you're kind of working it into. Is this salmon?
Yes,
salmon.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
All right. All right.
Okay.
You got it. Okay. You're ready to go.
Okay. What else?
Wow.
Okay.
Next is a maki, which is the roll.
Okay.
So he's going to put a raw rice and seaweed nori down for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And then you're going to get the roll, our famous salmon avocado, which is very, very popular.
Oh, this is a popular one? Okay.
Yeah, very
okay.
delicious. So you're going to put it on a rolling sheet like this.
Oh, one of these?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm always amazed because you guys, I watch and, you know, sushi chefs are so fast. Yes. There's so many orders that come in, right?
Okay. Exactly.
I give you.
So this is a very popular, the roll. It's a maki, which means rolling. And so it's delicious. It's like one of the most popular rolls. And it's avocado, fresh avocado, and the freshest salmon. And and actually, Tony, you can go ahead and grab that salmon.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. Just
Place right across the middle?
Right across the avocado, right?
Okay.
And then Ko-san's going to show you how to roll it.
Okay.
You're going to roll it. Yeah. You can roll it.
A moment of truth.
There you go. Yeah.
So you
got it.
You tuck it in?
Yes, you tuck it in all the way up to the top. Yep. There you go.
Yes.
Oh, don't put it inside the wrap.
Like this.
Okay.
And then you lift the bamboo a little bit.
Lifting it.
Yes.
Okay.
Roll it one more
One more
forward.
time.
There you got it.
Dang.
You got it.
Square.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect.
Oh, that's
All
it.
right.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
He's going to cut it right now.
Okay.
And
Okay.
so you can see your success here, right?
Yeah.
So.
And people, so you guys offer these types of master classes for people to come be able to get some like easy ways to do something at home?
Exactly. Every month we have a master class in soy sauce, miso. We have sake class every month, so you get to taste the different sakes throughout the regions of Japan. Oh. And of course our sushi, which is our nigiri, and our maki, our roll class. So it's very, very popular.
Yeah,
they sign up on our website, and it's a sellout. So. You did really good, Tony.
So yeah, I passed.
So our first chef, our first shift.
It's gonna fix it.
Yeah.
Our first shift starts at 7 a.m. So you're welcome to start tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning? Okay, there's an opening.
Right.
No more ABC. No more ABC. Okay.
I don't know about that.
Tomorrow morning.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Real quick before we go, because I saw this, I walked up, I saw your spread here. This cake-looking thing here. What? Tell us about this.
It's called the omedetou cake, which is congratulations in Japanese.
Okay. All right.
And, it could have been congratulations another way. But it's for birthdays, graduation, Father's Day. It's going to be a big seller.
Well, yeah,
so,
we've got graduation season. We got Father's Day coming up.
It's a multi-layered sushi cake with these sushi flowers, sashimi flowers on top. So
it is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
And we have all of our black label omakase boxes, high-end rolls and nigiri and sashimi. So
oh my gosh.
These are for the parties and so forth.
Okay. So for anyone who's interested in maybe taking the master classes like what we did right here, where can they
they go to our website, yamasushi-marketplace.com, and they sign up. We publish the classes on the 1st of every month at 11 a.m. So you got to log in right because it sells out in like 2 minutes. So,
nice.
Yeah.
Lastly here, because it is AAPI month, right?
Yes.
Asian American Pacific Islander
Yes.
Heritage. You know, why is it important for you to kind of share your culture with Southern California?
Well, there's such a big story to tell about our culture, the Japanese culture, and such an interest. So that's why we like to do these master classes and explain these products, because all of our customers are so interested. And at the same time, we're featuring every week we feature another one of our vendors that are AAPI, and so we're very excited to promote the AAPI month with KBC.
Awesome. We love it. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah, thank you,
So
Tony.
I start tomorrow, 7 a.m.?
Tomorrow, 7 a.m.
Please.
Okay. Oh, what do we got going?
Okay.
Whoa.
So we got
Palmer. We got our first customer.
Mr. Palmer has our first customer. You got it. All right.
Awesome.
Tony did okay.
Yeah, I did okay. That was actually his.
Yeah.
Thank you, Scott and Chef, for joining us this morning. Great to hear all that, and so much fun. So
Very good.
Thank you very much.
congratulations on all those years of
Very good.
success.